outcome of a project. So this project names is emoji based sentiment analysis. So like this, when the user going to give reviews based on that emojis, it's going to predict what type of sentiment analysis, whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. So this is the uh, landing page, okay, with the project title name. Along with that, what are the features we added here, okay. So now we will go to create account of a user, okay. So I'm going to create account, okay. So once user got registered successfully, okay, then they are going to make a login, okay. So this is the user dashboard. So in this user dashboard, so user can submit the reviews here, okay. So I'm going to product name like mm, perfume, very pleasant with budget friendly, and here we have some emojis. So if you have means you can type from a keyboard, or else you can copy paste and analyze and submit the review. So once we submit the review, so it's going to give us so what type of positive or negative review it is, okay. So emoji count 1, so text score, emoji score, and confidence, okay. Again we can go to back, okay. Now I want to give one more review for negative, okay. So click on submit new review, and now again I'm going to give one more review for noise smartwatch. So very bad product it is, okay. So in this, I'm going to upload emoji, and I'm going to analyze and submit review. So it's a negative review, okay. So again we can check with that one more review. Now we'll check with the neutral review, okay. Next we'll with the noise birds, okay. So I'm going to give this image, so paste, and analyze and submit review, okay. So once you did this analyze and submit review, so you'll get a, okay, it's a positive review, it's going to give us, okay. And go to dashboard, okay, total reviews what we have given, and you can check that in a admin dashboard. We can check how many reviews we have, how many users are there, okay. We can check here, okay. So in this we have a total 5 reviews, we have total 2 users, okay. So you can see we view all reviews, we can see that, okay. So these are the all reviews what we have gotten, okay. So we can see the users, how many users we have, and we can see the analytics of a project. So how much of positive, negative, neutrals we got. Based on that analysis we are going to get a chart. So this is the final outcome.